Okay, for example number 3, we have here a continuous span beam, 3 span exact, and we're going to determine all the reactions for the continuous span beam below. So as you can see here, for this example, we're going to solve using the moment equation when there is or the beam is non-prismatic. Yung kakaiba ng I, as you can see here on your screen. Okay, so we have, let's say this is point A, point B, point C, point. So first, we need to determine how many reactions do we have. We have 5 reactions and only one member. So R is greater than 3 and 4. This is a indeterminate structure having a degree of how many degree? 5 minus 3, 2 degrees. So we're going to be needing 2 equations here. So how are we going to do that? So in 3 moment equation, from the word 3 moment, we're going to only consider 3 points, 3 moments at a time. Okay? So how can we do that? So it's always start at the leftmost points. Okay, so point A, point B, point C. Tatlo na yan. Yan yung unang i-consider natin mga points. And after that, you will move to the right. 1 point. Okay? So, move tayo ng 1 point. So, from point A, we will going to consider B as our starting point. So, B, C, and D. So, we have 3. We have 2. So, segment 2 be considered, or points to consider A, B, C, and the second one is B, C. Okay, so for this, we solve first, no? Para mas maganda yung flow natin. Solve muna natin yung for the uniform distributed load. Ito yung kanyang moment diagram. So what is the maximum height of this moment diagram? So I will know which is 3 meters. So what is the moment, maximum moment value? So that is W L square all over 8. Okay. So ang W natin is 5 times L is 3 squared divided by 8. So we have 45 over 8 as your maximum height. So in terms of area, ang area nito is 2/3 base 3 times height 45 over 8. So we have here 11.25. Then our A here, or the distance of the centroid to the left point, is equal to, here is kalahati ng 3, so 1 point. Okay, and then of course for the concentrated load at the center or at the midspan of BC, okay, so how what is the maximum moment if concentrated load at midspan? So we can search this formula, which is PL over 4. Okay, so ang base nito is the length of this segment kung nasan yung 10 kilonewton. So that is 4 meters to. So what is the value of PL over 4? So our P That is the value of the concentrated load, which is 10, times L, yung length po ng BC, which is 4, over 4, and 10 as a maximum. Okay? Height of our triangular moment diagram. Then for A is 1/2, base is 4, times height is 10. So we have 20 as our area here. Then B here is equal to 2. Now we are ready to solve, to use the 3-moment equation. So considering first A, B, C. So from the formula MA, L1. So ang L1 natin dito, class, is the length of the first span, which is 3. And then this is A, different in moment inertia. So this is I. Then we have plus 2 MB quantity. The first span, which is L over I. So ang L natin is 4. So ang I natin is 2I. So plus, next is Nalilan tayo ng arrangement dito. Ito muna yung first or left span 3 over I. Then susunod natin yung 4 over 2I. We have plus MC times 4 over 2I. And plus 6. So ang A1 natin is the uniform distributed load. So that is 11.25 as yung A. Times yung A niya is yung center distance. Moment arm is 1.5 over EI L. So E natin is constant. I for the first span is I. And then times po natin ng L1. So L1 natin is 3. Plus 6. Okay, area 2. That is 20 times distance, which is 2 meters, yung B, over 2I times length is 4, which is equal to 0 kasi walang support settlement. So as you can see, lahat po sila mayroong I. Okay, so pinakita ko lang na yung moment of inertia, if magkaiba sila, sa baba po ng length lalagay or sa denominator yung ating I. Okay? So for this, we're going to simplify this. So MA, sa point A, as you can see here, ito po ay pin support. So alam natin na pin support, they cannot resist moment. So automatically, pagka sa end support is pin or roller, automatic po na 0 yung moment na yun. So 0 na ito. Mawala ito, 0. So we only have here. So yung 3 over I is simply, you can say na 3 over 1. Kasi yung I, as you can see, makakancel yung I dito. Okay, so 1, and then yung plus 4 over, instead of 2I, I ilalagay natin. So 3 over 1 plus 4 over 2. So 5 ilalabas times 2. So 10. So we have 10 MB plus, so we have 2 MC. Bakit 2? Kasi 4 over 2I. Okay, so yung I nito makakancel naman na to. As I explained. Hindi na. No? So 4 over 2 is 2. So 2 MC plus, i-add natin itong dito. So, hindi po 21 to 2i yan. Lalabas dito 63.75. Okay, equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. So, next is segment or point B, C, D. Okay, so gaya na sinabi ko kanina, move tayo ng starting point, 1 point. Okay, from the first equation. So, A yung start natin sa first equation. So, susunod po ay B. Okay, pag mas marami pang equation na kinakailangan, so, ganun pa rin yung method natin. You will move 1 point from the right. Okay, or to the right. Okay, so, right, no? So, next is BCD. So, BCD, ito ang point na to. B, C, D. So, sa point B, we have MB. So, ang L1 na dito is 4. Ang L2 is 3. So, that is 4. MB4 plus 2MC times ang length 1 is 4. So, nakalimutan ko we have here I, or let's say 1. Hindi ka man ito, 1. So, 4 over 1 plus okay, yung unang span pala sa point BCD is 2i ito. So, we can say 2. Yan, 2 plus I have L2. So, ang L2 natin is 3 over 1. Okay? Then plus MC or MD. So, MD here is equal to L, which is 3 over ilang I. So, I lang yan. So, we can state 1 here plus 6 times. Okay? So, we have 20 times 2 over the length is 4. Okay, so plus 6. Okay, segment CD na tayo. Or span CD. So we have 6 times 20. Times by 20. Nandito tayo sa uniform distributed load. So we have 11.25. Okay, so that is for 6A2B. So ang B natin is 1.5 over L2. Ang L2 natin dito is 3. That is equal to, of course, 0. So MB is, we have 2 MB. Then we have plus 10. May 10 MC. Then we have yung MD dito. Nasa end support yung point D. So automatic 0 na yan. 0 to. Then we have plus. So we have 397. We have 397.5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So solving. Okay. Equation 1 and 2. We have mod 5, 1. So we have 10, 2, and negative 63 equals 75. And for the next is 2, 10, we have negative 397.2. So we have uh, okay, so we have here a correction. This is 1.5. So ang input ko sa calcu is 15. So this is wrong. Ito, correction po natin yan. Then dito we have kulang yung 2. Okay, bakit kulang yung 2? And then 1 po dito. Okay, ito po yung 2i natin, no? Okay, so 2. Okay, so dito lalabas pa rin yung sagot is 63.70. Okay, so solving this one continuously using your calculator, I have okay, so we have MB equal to negative 5.3125. Then for MC, the same value, we have negative 5.31. And then we are now ready to solve the reaction after solving po natin N moments, MB, MC. Okay? So parehas na negative 5.3125. So we have here this is segment AB, span AB, span BC. Okay, to solve the reaction, ganito po yung gagawin natin. So, span CD. And then, sa point A, nandito yung ating AY, yung pinukuha natin. Vertical reaction A. We have here. So, dito, as you can see, sa point B, dalawa yung reaction natin, no? Iba yung support or reaction sa segment AB, iba rin yung reaction sa BC. So, let's say this is BY1, then BY2. Then, to solve the total reaction at point B, so that is BY, simply BY1 plus BY2 lang. Okay, so ganun din dito sa point C, so we have CY1, then we have CY2, then add lang natin yan. This is your CY. Okay? Then this is your DY. Then we can now input yung nakuha nating MB and MC. So, para silang negative, negative 5.3125, negative 5.312. So, we have here, considering AB, so, andito yung point B. Ang MB natin is negative. So, negative means, yan. Then, pagdating naman sa BC, negative means, ang rotation niya is counter clockwise pag BC. And then, pag C naman, dito, MC, ang negative is, yan. Then, ganito naman sa my panel or span CD. So, lagay po natin dito negative 5.3125, negative 5.312. Then we have here, huwag mo kalimutan yung mga internal or external loadings natin. Okay, to solve AY, mag-moment lang tayo sa point B. Okay, so positive clockwise. So, direct calculate na tayo, no? Positive clockwise. So, we have dito, no need for us to write, no? Yung ating negative sign dito. Or dito kami dito. Okay? Kasi na-apply na natin sa rotation yung negative niya. So, dito, positive clockwise, no? Moment at B. Okay, considering span AB or segment AB. So, we have 5.3125 plus AY times 3 and minus 5 times 3. That's 5 is equal to 0. So, we have AY is equal to 5.73. The next is for BY1. So, BY1 natin, solve natin yan. Okay, one way to check if tama tayo sa AY is mag-moment tayo sa A to solve BY1. Then, dapat pagka kinombine natin is equal sa downward vertical force. No? So, is moment tayo sa A. So, we have 5 times 3 times 5 plus 5.325. Okay, minus BY1 times 3. So we have BY1 is equal to 9.27. We're going to compute that. 9.27 plus 5.73 is equal to 15. So, ang downward uniform splitted load natin is 5 times 3, 15. So, ang answer po, 0. Okay, so BY1 is 9.27. Okay, so dahil symmetrical to, we can say DY is also equal to 5.73 and CY2 is equal to 9.27. So, ang problema na lang natin is yung BY2 and then CY. Okay, so to solve that, mag-moment ka lang sa either B or C to solve any of these. So, symmetrical to, parehas ng value ng BY2 sa CY2. So, mag-moment tayo sa point B. Okay, so point B tayo mag-moment, we have 10 times 2 plus 5.325 plus minus 5.3125. Then we have minus alpha x or the CY1 times 4 is equal to 0. So we have 5 as your CY1. So 5 ito. And of course, this is also, I think, kompleto na tayo ng mga reaction. Okay? But we still need to get By, which is the summation of By1 and By2. So that is 9.27 plus 5. So we have 14. Okay, 14.27 for By and also for Cy, 14.7. So that's it, class. So ang key points natin dito, okay, if we have 2 or more span, we're going to needing 2 then or more equation. And then we will start, okay, consider 3 points, tama? Okay, starting from the left. Okay, then for non-prismatic, okay, always remember na nasa denominator lahat ng I natin. Ay on the left part of the equation. So, yung L1 over 1, then pati yung 6A, 1A, so dapat yung L1 meron siyang katabi na I 1. Okay? Or non-prismatic. So, the same principles apply kapag magkaiba sila naman. So, yun yung mga take away natin. Now, pagkaiba yung I, and then 2 or more span. Okay, that is for example number 3. Thank you for listening.